Good day dear pupils, our lesson for today is all about the computer function. For our learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to show an understanding on the functions of computer, describe the basic processing cycles of a computer, tell the tools or devices that are used in computer. The old electronic computers developed in the 1940s were as big as large rooms and consumed huge amounts of electricity. Obviously, they were very different from what is known to us now, modern computers. Here is the ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was in 500 BC when the abacus was invented in Babylonia. The computer machine has changed through the years. The idea for the computer began with people who wanted an easier way to calculate numbers. Its design, purpose and efficient have developed tremendously. In this day and age, a computer has the ability to store, recover, and process data. The basic processing cycles of a computer. To easily understand how a computer functions, we must first understand the four basic processing cycles of a computer. Input. This is the first event in the cycle, which involves collection of data from the outside or also from within the system. Process. In this stage the computer processes and performs operations required from the first stages. Storage. After the data have been processed, the data are stored in different storage devices available and ready to be used again if required by the process. Output. This is the result of the processed data and is now presented and available for the user. Like this, we have input, process, storage and output. Example. The teacher will ask her pupils to draw different shapes in a piece of paper. This is the input. The pupils will start to draw different shapes in the paper. Some will draw triangles and squares, others will draw circles and rectangles. This is the process. Students will submit their works to their teacher. This is the output. The teacher will put the works of the pupils in a folder for checking in a later time. This will be the storage. Tools or devices used. Input devices. Keyboard. This allows the user to input letters, numbers and other symbols or characters in the computer. And here is the picture of a keyboard. Mouse. This device allows the user to control the pointer on the screen. It is an alternative to the keyboard that interacts between the computer and the user. And here is the picture of a mouse. Web camera or webcam. Just like a simple camera, this is used to get a picture or a video of the user or an object. And here is the picture of web camera or webcam. Drawing tablet. This device is usually attached through a USB port and is widely used by graphics artists to draw an image or an object. And here is the picture of a drawing tablet. Scanner. This is a computer device that converts images into digital file or format. And here is the picture of a scanner. Processing devices. Motherboard. This is the main part of a computer wherein all other components of a computer are attached. And here is the picture of a motherboard. Processors. It handles all the instructions received from the input. It is attached to the motherboard and cannot function alone without the support of other components. And here is the picture of a processors. Memory modules or RAM, random access memory. This is where the processed information are stored temporarily while awaiting further instruction from the processor or from the input. And here is the picture of memory modules or RAM, random access memory. Graphics or video cards. This is where all the display input are processed initially. It is also attached to the motherboard and connected to the monitor. And here is the picture of graphics or video cards, operating system and applications. This is the medium used by the computer to interact with the user to understand what the user wants to do with the input. And here is the picture of an operating system and applications. Output devices, LCD or monitor. It is where you can view what you have instructed the computer to do. For desktop computers, this is usually attached to the graphics card of the computer. And here is the picture of an LCD or monitor. Printers. This is a device that accepts texts and graphics output from the computer. It then transfers the information to paper. And here is the picture of a printer. Speakers. These are devices used when we listen to music and audio coming from the computer. And here is the picture of a speaker. Headset. This is an output device just like a speaker through you need to wear it on your head. And here is the picture of a headset. Optical drive. This is a device used to transfer the information to a CD or DVD. It is commonly found attached in the front panel of the computer box. And here is the picture of an optical drive. Storage devices. CD or DVD. This is a round-like plate storage device inserted in the optical drive. And here is the picture of an CD or DVD. Flash drive. This is commonly known as USB drive or thumb drive because of its size, which is almost the same as your thumb. It is used to back up and transfer information. And here is the picture of a flash drive. Memory card. This is also a removable storage normally found in digital cameras, cellular phones and tablets. And here is the picture of a memory card. Hard disk drive. It is the most common storage device found inside the computer but is not visible to the user. And here is the picture of a hard disk drive. Web host. There are virtual storages similar to hard drives but not present in your actual computer system. Examples are the Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. And here is the picture of a web host. Thank you for watching in this video and I hope you learned something today. Feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more educational videos.